Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a game in Scratch called Monkey Mayhem. Let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to click create, and then you're in your your new Scratch project. Now what I want to do is you're going to want to delete the cat sprites. You're going to add one. You're going to add the monkey. There you are. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make another one. I'm just going to mute my mic for just sorry, just dealing with something. So now we've got our monkey, we want to get our bananas. That's going to be it for now. So for our monkey code, we're going to actually no, going to want to find a backdrop called wall 1 and we're going to make 2 of them. So wall 1. So we have 2 wall 1s. You can't even tell the difference. But so let's start. So what we're gonna want to do is sorry about that. What we're gonna want to do is you want to go in the monkey. We want to go to when green flag clicks, set rotation style. So that's here, left, right. Now go to zero for X and minus 90 for Y. So when you press this, it's going to go to this position, and you're going to go forever. If then seasoning key space press, put it in the then switch it to left arrow, point to direction minus 90, move 10 steps, and next costume. And then again, so control forever in here. I'm actually just gonna delete this because it's supposed to be an if. So in that, duplicate, put it here, and all you need to do is change a few things. So this is going to be right arrow, and there's not going to be a minus in this one. There. So when we do our left or right arrows, the monkey should move. Oh, you need to press a button. There you go. And his costumes go crazy. That's fine. Whee! So you got this. But the bananas don't do anything. So let's see. So now I want to go to the bananas. And the bananas have quite a lot of code. Well, not much when I say quite a lot. But feel free to pause the video just in case you need to. You need to concentrate. So and then you want to go to motion and set rotation style left, right, point to direction, and we're going to switch this to 0. Now going to go looks, show, and then so after we've done that, we want to go to get a forever loop and repeat until, and then go to, oh wait, we're going to go to, so we're going to need a go to box, and we're also going to go to seasoning, key space pressed, so when the space bar is pressed, go to monkey. So basically what this is going to allow us to do is whenever the monkey moves, the bananas are going to come with us. But the bananas still do not do anything, they just follow us, which is not very fun. Now, what we're going to want to do is we want to go to repeat. Is that so you're not repeat until, just repeats. 35. Oh, that's 25. 35 and motion, move 10 steps. Ooh, not in, just in, oh yeah, that, no. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to if, sorry, if then else. So if then else, which is this one, and we're going to go to operators, and we're going to look for, we're just gonna look for I think it's, wait, can you change this? True. No. I think it's probably just the opposites. Oh, okay. We've got it now. So we have to go to the equals, which is this one. We're going to put this in here. We're going to change the equals to 1. Then we're going to go to pick random, put it in the first slot, and we're going to change it to 1 and 2. There you go. Now we're going to go to X and Y, and we're going to change it to, again we're going to go 0 minus 90, which is fine. Then else, go to 0 90. So this is what we got. It may look like nothing happened, but now when you press the space bar, it shoots up. Now we're going to do some more things. We're going to go to show and wait until touching monkey. Now we're going to go to add something. So now we should hopefully, now we're going to add a broadcast message. So we're going to do when I receive message 1, we're going to make a new one, and it's going to be called Hitty. Oh, whoops. So Hitty bananas. Done. And I don't really know if that's spelled correctly, but that's fine. We're going to go to looks, hide, and we should have a pop. No, we don't. So this is. So we're going to add one. It's going to be called pop, like this. We're going to go to code, start sound, pop, and we're going to make a variable now. Gonna make a variable, so we're going to go to variables, make a variable, and this is going to be called score, and I think it's for all sprites, yeah. And then we're going to do change my variable score by 10. Done. One more thing, and then we'll be good to go on to the next and final sprite. So going to, and you might be thinking, oh, there's no more sprites, we're going to add one. We're going to go when green flag clicked, variables, set my variable, just set my score to 0. So what it does is it's just not gonna do anything for now, but every time the bananas are stuck. Oh, sorry. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to I'm going to move on to the sprite now. So the last sprite, we're going to go to choose a sprite. So then it's going to be called bat. This one. Now, if we're going to bat, we're going to go to events. When green flag clicked, set rotation style left right forever. Go to minus 300 operators, pick random 1 to 100 and point to direction 90, sets going to go to variables, actually add another variable, so make a variable called speed, and it's going to be for this sprite only. I'm going to add it, and we don't want speed to be so we're just going to click off it, and we're going to go to set my variable to 0, change speed, and change it to operators again, pick random 1 to 20. So the bat's not doing anything. Why is the bat doing that? We can fix him. Hey, stop it, bat. You shouldn't do that. I think it's probably, we're just gonna see what's after that. So next we're going to go to repeat until. So we're going to get a repeat until. I'm going to put this one in. And this is going to. Oh, I don't want that in the. Yeah, we do want that in forever. And what we're going to want to do is we want to go to sensing, touching bananas, points to direction, 180, then, oh, oop, we can do that later, that's the wrong one, move, and then move 10 steps, speed to drag it in and put it in 10, so move speed steps, then motion, if on edge bounce, now we're going to go to events, broadcast titty bananas, point to direction 180, so we're going to do that now, repeat, repeat 40, motion, move 10 steps. Motion, I think the bat is correct. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So if we try this now, you have to try hit the bat, and then each time you see that our bananas disappear, which is annoying. But I'm not sure if there's a way to get around that. Now, what we want to do is we're going to go to our backdrops. And we're going to go to backdrops. We're going to customize this backdrop now to text. We're going to change the text to black. And we're going to write game. Oh, come on. Game over, like we did on Catch Me If You Can, if you watched that video. If you haven't, then I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who'd like to go check it out, because it is quite a good one. So text, I want it to be black, obviously. And we're going to type game over with an exclamation mark. Now we're going to make it very big, and I'm going to put it right about here, so in the center roughly. About here. That's good. Now we're going to go to wall 1. What we're going to want to do is go to just trying to figure out how this works. Okay, sorry. So we're going to go to events, then when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to wall 1, set. We're actually going to add a new variable, so it's going to be called time. and this variable, yes, so this one has to be available for all sprites. And I'm going to go to set my variable to 0, change it to time and 0, well 30 actually, because it doesn't count up, it's not like just score. And then you need to go to repeat until, and then equals variables time equals 0, and wait 1 second, change, I'm going to go to variables, change time to -1, and then switch backdrop, sorry about that, switch backdrop to backdrop 2, and control stop all. Let's just see what the other options are. Are there any other options? This script, other sprite. And we're going to go to backdrops 2, and there goes on ball 2 now. So let's try this. Okay, so this, okay. Oh, bananas disappeared. Bananas, they disappeared. Really? I'm gonna add one more thing. So if we just go into monkey, and then we can go to if. So you see, that's what happens. So we're going to do 2 more. I'm just gonna duplicate them and then change, and 1 more, duplicate and put it in here. So now we have this, we have 5. Okay, now you have 4. We're going to go to, when up arrow pressed, go to 0, and if down arrow pressed, go to 180. I'm just gonna remove all of this. Let's see if we can do this. So every time that our bananas go, that they're gone, that they can go up and down now. The banana shouldn't go. We'll just try it once more. So let's see, so we can get that. And then there. Our bananas, they're gone. That's the only way it can work though. So if that happens, all you have to do is restart it. But that's it for today's video, guys. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure to like and subscribe. As usual, have the best day ever. Was it always? I forget. Probably always. As always, have the best day ever. Keeping you. Peace.